What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Migo from Smallfoot. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page with the eyes. We're going to start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, we're going to draw an oval. Let's bring this all the way down towards the bottom of the eye and back up towards the top. Let's draw that same sized oval over on the right side. So we're going to line at the top. Just going to bring this in, touching along the inside, come down, and then back up. Now I want to push the pupils towards the inside. Starting from the middle, draw a small oval going around the left, come down and then back in, go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of the pupil on both sides. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black, going around that highlight. Now from here we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start all the way over on the left, curve the mouth, coming down, go across, and then bend that up on the right. Let's go back to the left side, curve the bottom of the mouth, coming down, go across the middle, and then back up. Let's add one large fang on the left side. I'm going to curve this up and in towards the top, come down and then in towards the bottom. I'm going to add some random sized teeth going over towards the right. So starting down here, start with a half circle, add a small one, let's leave a gap, draw a large half circle, and we'll do that one more time. Let's add the top row of teeth. Starting right in the middle, move over towards the left, curve this down, and then up, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's add one small fang coming down and up, and we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now I want to thicken up the lips. So from the corners of the mouth, let's step up. Just going to round this out and then come down. And let's trace the top of the mouth. Coming all the way down the middle and then back up. Let's trace the lower lip. Starting back on the left. Just want to go a little bit thicker in the middle and taper that up on the right side. Let's move up and add in the eyebrows. Leaving a gap in the center, draw two lines, one on the left and one on the right. Now from the bottom left, curve the eyebrow going out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go up to the top. Just going to taper this out towards a point. Now I'm going to brush the hair over towards the left side. Let's start in the center of the head, bend this out and then down. I'm going to add a point going up and in. Halfway down the side, we're going to go out and then down, go all the way around and back in. Let's add one more point, going out. Now I'm going to pull this up and then bring that down towards the top of the head on the right. Now I want to curve the side of the head, going around the eyebrow, and then bring that down towards the top of the mouth. Let's line this up on the left side, curve this up and in underneath the hair. Now we're going to work our way around the jaw. Let's start on the left, curve this out and then down on both sides. Now add a point, just pulling this back in. Let's curve around the jaw, coming down and then in. And then again, we'll add another point. Now I want to bring the chin in towards the middle and then down. So start on the left. Come down, bend that in, and then down towards the center point. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. Now I'm going to add a horn pointing down on the left side. Let's start from the side of the hair, bend this out, and then down. Just pull that in towards the top of the cheek. Now to bend the right horn going up. So let's line at the top and bend this out and up with a short line. It's going to break off the end with a straight line coming down and curve that back in towards the top of the right cheek. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start on the left side of the head, curve this down, and then bend that in. Let's line this up on the right. Coming down, and then in. Let's add some fur along the center. Curve this in and down, bend this up to add a point, and curve this down and across towards the right. Just pull that back up. Let's add one more point coming down. That's going to curve this up and out towards the right side. Let's go to the center of the body, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Now you want to leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel, go over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now from the heels, we're going to draw on the first toe. Let's start on the left. Curve this down, bend this up, and hook that back in. Let's layer two more toes in behind. Starting from the end, go around, and then bend that in. And we'll do that one more time. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend the leg going out, and then bring that all the way down towards the last toe. Go over towards the right, going out, and we'll bend that down. Now we're going to add a fur texture along the bottom of the ankle. Let's start on the left. Bend this up and in, come down and in. Now I just want to repeat this all the way towards the inside of the leg. And we'll do the same thing on the right, going up and then down. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start on the side of the body, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist, and we'll line this up on the right side. From the wrist, let's draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. So we're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and just bend that up around that bracket. Let's step down, go out, and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Draw on that first finger, going around that bracket. Draw on the second finger. With the third finger, we'll start on the side. We're going to bend this out, pull this up, and then in. Now we're going to start to add some fur along the top of the shoulders. Let's start back on the left, bend this out and down, go up, and then in. Let's add one more point. Going out and down, pull this up and in towards the side of the head. And now we're going to separate the wrist with some fur. Let's start from the top of the thumb, bend this up and out, come down and in. Now it's going to work our way towards the outside, bending the fur going out. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Start from the top of the thumb, start by going up and out, down and in, and just work our way towards the outside. and then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Migo from Smallfoot. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.